Why is it that I haven't produced a video in 3 weeks? Why is it that I'm slow to respond to your comments at my channel? Have I burned out? Did I quit? I'm going to answer all these questions, and I'm going to talk about how you can get access to the brand new killer 3D animated subscribe and bell buttons that are 1080p, 60 frames per second. They have alpha channel, they have blurring and sound effects. Let's get some. Electrify your online presence with live streaming. At points, you take a global perspective of where you are in life and you begin to sort of evaluate yourself. I had a conversation with my neighbor. You know, you compare yourself to how other people are doing in their careers. My neighbor, who I respect tremendously, we're very good friends. He's got a business. He got it from his father. He built it up, amplified it. He's got 4 kids. He put them all through college. He's doing fantastic. I've got my own business. It's a web business. Web is not my true love. It's very difficult to get to the money. It's highly complex. It's really technical, and it's simply not that fun, honestly. And I believe in my heart that the days of WordPress are quickly coming to an end. There's no real future in it because companies are now providing web design systems that all reside on the internet, like Wix and variants thereof. So there's no future in WordPress. So, you know, I stand back and I look at what I'm doing here. This started out as a little tiny hobby back in 2016. It has been an incredible journey. I've met people all over the world. I even went and met up with some friends back a couple years ago, and we went to Vegas and had an absolutely fantastic time. So, you know, you evaluate what's going on. You take a big picture, you know, and when I do the math and I take up all the hours that I put into this channel and I calculate what I get paid via AdSense, I come out to a grand total of $2 to $3 an hour. There is no way I can survive if I keep on going down this trajectory where I'm just in a grind bubble, just grinding videos out, trying to make a Tuesday deadline, and just wishing that hopefully ad spend will be enough to make me live. It's simply not going to happen. I'm not going to be able to survive here at this channel. I'm going to simply dry up and blow away in the wind, and I'm toast if I go down this trajectory. And this is what I'm telling myself, right? So for 2022, I said to myself, I'm going to try some different stuff. I'm going to reach out to some people that I have yet to reach out to. I'm going to reach out to some creators who I highly respect. And I said to myself, who am I going to start with? So there's this channel that has educated me with the program I use to create my videos, Camtasia. And so I reached out with Messenger, which is a part of Facebook, to Gord Eisman, who is an absolute fantastic educator. His videos are so good and so smooth. He's kind of like the Bob Ross of Camtasia on the internet. He's fantastic, and I respect him deeply. So I just shot out a conversation to him, and he instantly responded back, and we had a video call, and boom, instant friends. We do the same stuff. We're the same age. We have the same type of demographics. So much similarities. And the beauty of Gord is that he is connected to some major whales in the YouTube space. I don't want to mention names, but man, does he know some players. And because of his exposure to these people, he knows about how to focus on things not necessarily tied to production, but on other parts of the business that make YouTube a viable career. And so I have been picking his brain and asking him questions and getting involved in some of these software programs and projects and website hosting companies that will allow me to connect to you in a way that has a more deeper value. I want to be able to speak to you directly via email, or I want to have a video where I'm making a tutorial where you can ask questions, where the interaction is on a higher level. So what I've been doing for the past 3 weeks is, man, I have been simply just focusing on the business instead of focusing in the business. I've been working on systems and infrastructure that will allow me to do specific things that will allow me to contact you directly via email, if I so desire, and possibly set up systems where I can provide courses and tutorials that will allow you to ask questions or interact with me while I'm teaching you. So that's the kind of thing I've been focusing on. I've been focusing on infrastructure and systems so that that can be a reality. This new perspective for this year has forced me to knuckle down and finally commit to learning Blender, which is an absolutely amazing program. I really can't believe it's free. It is so incredibly powerful and difficult to learn, but I knuckled down and got it all done. And what I wanted to do is create 10 animated three-dimensional subscribe and bell buttons that you can download. And by you getting access to this, you submit your name and email. That way I can contact you and send more stuff and say hello, and maybe you can send me an email and we can go back and forth and develop a solid relationship, okay? So what I'd like to show you now is a demonstration of some of these buttons. I think you're gonna love them. Check them out. So if you like those animations, you can go and click this card right here. If you click it, it'll open up. You'll see a link to the page. Or you can go to the description and click the link there as well. That'll take you to the forum. And I'm going to be heavy duty into production again. I've got some really super cool videos coming down the pike. I don't want to tell you right now because they're really cool. I've got a couple really good suggestions that I got in comments. I'd love to hear your opinion as to whether or not you think I'm going down the right path with this channel. I'd love to hear your opinion. I value what you guys have to say. You guys are one of the most intelligent audiences that I've been exposed to. I've seen many other demographics and other channels. You guys are super smart people, and I appreciate you. I appreciate your comments. I love you guys. Things are coming. Things are going to be changing too in the positive manner. Stay away from the TV. Don't get mired in the negativity. I know the world is full of negativity. There is so much positivity on the horizon. There is so much human opportunity that I'm reading about that will blow you out of your mind. It is incredible what's coming down the pike. If we can just get over this little hump, things are going to change for humanity in a huge way. Best wishes to you. Stay strong. Don't give up with your channel. I've got your back. Connect with me on email. Maybe I could be your mentor. Best wishes to you. Stay strong and keep fighting.
Stay strong and keep fighting.